The annoying thing about meal prep is that it can take so long to do. It can literally use up your entire weekend. I am not about that life. I'm all about quick and easy meals. These meals are really comforting, healthy, and so easy to meal prep on a Sunday in the space of an hour, and you can eat them throughout the week. I'm all about the cook once, eat all week mantra. So without further ado, I'm going to get into this video because I'm not about wasting time. The first rule of meal prep is that you always start with the high value item, which is the chicken. The thing is with chicken, I've got a hate-love relationship with chicken. Love to eat it, hate to touch it. I think I might just use this. To be fair, actually, I just thought I could have just marinated it in here, but oh well, don't make my mistake. I am all about speed, so I'm not about chopping or cutting up anything. So I've got some frozen garlic, which I just love. I'm going to sprinkle that in there. It saves so much time. So now I'm going to move on to the next one, which is also as quick as well, which is fabulous. It's just more of a dump and leave sort of recipe. You know what? I actually got this from TK Maxx. I love this. I'm actually thinking of doing a sticky toffee pudding, but a low sugar version in this. If you're interested in low sugar healthy puddings, give it a watch. I actually got this from TK Maxx as well. Oh, this is nice. Maybe I can put the mac and cheese in here. Not so sure. Label's still on. This was only $7.99, which I think was quite good. Maybe it can just go in here. I feel like these are my special ones. Okay, I put my special ones back. Carrots go so well in a tomato soup. I only use half the pack. And then I'm gonna add some garlic too. Garlic is always good in the soup. Add that in. This is just after, I'd say a few minutes. It's funny how much it shrinks as well when you cook it. You think when you put it in your tray, oh, you've got so much, but it just shrinks a lot. But this is looking to be very good. Right, it's gonna bake it. I want it really caramelized. This is not even close. And the garlic, I can really smell the garlic that I put in, even though it was frozen. This is how you want it before you blend it. Tomato soup is just one of my favourites. Easy to throw together, the ultimate comfort food. The cheese toasty on the side, and it freezes so well, so you can make lots of it, freeze it, and have it whenever you don't have anything in the fridge, which is key for me. So with that cooking, I'm going to focus on the mac and cheese, and I put a spin on it to make it a lot quicker. Back again with my frozen food. I'm going to use butternut squash. It's a veggie, so why not? And I think it just makes our work a lot easier. All that work that you have to put in making the roux, it takes a lot, you know. You have to like grate up the cheese and like make sure it's the right consistency. This sort of solves all that. Like you just blend it, it's thick anyway, and you just add the cheese. I don't know, I developed this unhealthy obsession with glass jars when I was, I guess, like in my mid-20s, and I haven't been able to shake it. I got like a load of these jars from the pound shop, and I just, yeah. I can't keep things in empty, sort of open packets. It's a blessing and a curse. I think it makes your kitchen look better, but it's just annoying when you've got like a little bit left over. So I'm just going to put that in my glass jar. Tell me it's not just a me thing. Hopefully it's something that you do as well. All in all, I say by sneaking in butternut squash, it's just a lot more, hopefully lighter than the usual mac and cheese, because I don't know about you, I don't know if you've seen, I've forgotten the creator's name. It was like Tinny, I don't know. Correct me, tell me the name of the creator in the comments. I know I'm not like saying it right. Don't get me wrong, that looked like something I would devour quite happily Thanksgiving, but to have it every single day as, let's say, like a meal, Monday, like during the weekday, I think I would struggle with it. It looks so dense, so heavy. I just can't imagine having that at my desk or meal prepping it for the week. It's just far too heavy. And most mac and cheeses, to be fair, are really heavy. I've realised anything that's too heavy and just like, oh, it will just ruin me for the day. Quite honestly, I think I'll just fall asleep at my desk. So yeah, I'm subbing in the butternut squash just to make it a lot more lighter and just easy on the stomach. On second thoughts, I actually want to blend it. It'd be nice to get it nice and smooth. It's okay as it is now, but I certainly would prefer it to be, yeah, just a lot smoother. So no need to do that step. I am just making this up as I go along in case you haven't realised. But I'm going to grab my blender. This is quite a cowboy setup, I know. My lid to my blender, I couldn't find it, so I've just been using this. I love my Kenwood. To the point that when the jug actually broke, I just bought a new one off eBay. But unfortunately, I lost the lid when it arrived. So, you know, but it's a really good blender. It just purees things really easy. So the sauce is insane. I love it. Like I just had a little taste of it now. And oh, it even looks like the cheese sauce already, and I haven't even added the cheese yet. The quark, I swear, just makes it so thick and creamy, and I'm glad that I actually used whole milk instead of skimmed. I feel like it just makes it taste a lot better. So I'm going to actually add in a little bit of, I think, Dijon mustard. What else can I add in? I might add in some garlic granules. That'd be quite a good one to add. Yeah, I'm going to put some garlic granules in too. God, they always get stuck. Use my knife to release it. Blend. I'm going to pour it back into the same pan that I used to boil it. Not even added the cheese in yet, and it tastes so divine, honestly. I'm just going to add in like chunks of cheese. And realistically, I always thought this, is there any need to grate the cheese? It's going to melt in the oven anyway. Is there any need? It just takes up so much time. So yeah, I'm just gonna add in big chunks of the cheese, melt it as much as I can on the pan, but it will go in the oven and it will melt. And then I've got some fake American cheese, which I know is not healthy, but I like to add it. Why not? Like we've got veggies in there. We're not even adding any meat. I just feel you need to treat yourself, you know? Why not? Like the whole thing is basically butternut squash. So add in a little bit of fake cheese. If you want to keep this strictly healthy, by all means, don't add it. So it's going to break that in. I only use one slice anyway. I know I'm going about this the most inefficient way possible. Just this pan is so heavy. I don't even want to lift it up. Oh. I just thought as well, by using butternut squash makes it so much cheaper because cheese is so expensive right now. So it's a really good substitute to use to help you save a little bit of money, and it is quite good for you. Okay, I've actually made a mistake. I'm going to put some of it back in. I'm going to show you what you should do. So what you should do is put in like, say, half of the pasta, which, yeah, I've got about half now. And put a little bit more cheese on top and layer it. It just makes it extra cheesy. I did hold back on adding in lots of cheese for this reason. Last but not least is going to be our chicken. I'm going to air fry it because I'm using chicken thighs and I find it can be quite oily. So by air frying it, you can just get rid of the oil quite quickly. So what I'm going to do, because I don't have any like air fryer, we need to tidy my cupboard. Liners, I just use foil, line the base. Look how marinated that looks. Looks so good. And it's been, I would say, marinating for at least half an hour, which is enough. But you can leave it overnight if you want to, but I'm very lastminute.com. Grab my blender. I don't know why I put it away. Park that on here. I didn't even wash it, by the way. I just rinsed it out because it just got butternut squash in there. So it should be fine. So I'm gonna grab my pan for my last dish. I love this pan. It's really grown on me. I especially like the other range. I've got the name of it, but I like the fact that on the end you can like pour your stuff. It's got like a nozzle. What's it called? A nib, a nozzle. My brain's just gone, but it just makes pouring liquid so much easier. This doesn't have it, unfortunately, but it's still pretty good. Chicken thighs are not the healthiest, I would say, but they are the cheapest cut of meat. So I do like to cook thighs in the air fryer to get rid as much oil as possible. I've pretty much done. I'm going to cook the macaroni cheese tomorrow and show you the end products tomorrow because it doesn't look as good when there's not enough light, and I sort of want to chill. I'm going to edit my other videos. The kitchen is a bomb site. The dishwasher is full. It's chock-a-block, but I'm just going to do it in cycles. I'm going to get my dash on. I just know, I want to have a cozy evening. I filmed like 4 videos today. Can you believe it?